What's going on, everybody? Nate from Sherry Chrysler here. Today we got a 2003 Dodge Ram pickup 3500. Now this one was used for plowing. As you can see, it does not have a plow with it. I do not believe. White in color, chrome grille, chrome bumper. It's got some rust. It's an 03. It's Ohio. Tires, I got some meat on them, that's for sure. Aluminum wheels, tow mirrors. If you like that moosier look. Whoops. Take a look inside here. Power windows, locks, mirrors with a power seat as well. Cloth seating. Center console folds up so you can get a third person in the front seat or have your girlfriend sit a little closer. We got the so needed tape deck and CD player if you're still ripping music. Climate control, little storage area. Column shifter. That's a big deal to people. Don't like the dial shifters anymore. Column shifter. The ability to raise and lower your left and right, your plow. Plus cruise control. Tilt wheel. Loaded. Just loaded. Rockers are gone. It's fine. It's an 03. Seats fold up and it's got the platform back here, so if you want to store things outside of the weather, got that ability too. Not too much going on back here besides that. There's the amount of room you will have. That's cool, I guess. Rust on the rear wheel wells here. Chrome rear bumper, got the 7-pin hookup. So if you want to tow some stuff, you're good to go there. It has bed liner. And again, that sweet exhaust up there. I'll take a look at the other side so you can see all defects, if any. No, Siri, I do not need my watch to go off right now. Got a little hole right here. Whoa. If you do body work, you could probably get those rockers done yourself. Because if you like what you see here, stop in and see me today or give me a call. 937-778-0830. I'm Nate. Be great and buy a Sherry. Thanks, guys.